All right, so let me get this straight. So you're a Yankee, right? You're from the United States of America, or you're from England, right? And you have a little Jamaican thing, right? That you plan on marrying one day. But the problem is she lives in Jamaica and she has no papers to travel, and you live overseas in Canada, England, the USA, one of them places. And y'all been talking for a while, right? For a couple of years. And you send her money all the time to take care of business and all that. And you met her online, right? And you and you've only been to Jamaica once to see her, and it was magical, right? Yeah, eat that tarawa. Yeah, yo, welcome to Southflow TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. So I'm leaving work, right? And I decided to do this vlog. I decided to do this little quick vlog right here because somebody asked me to do this today. That says, Southflow, speak on long distance relationship. Foreign man, Jamaican woman, do you think it will work? I'm not saying, let me get this out of the way first. I don't want to put my sisters down. I'm not saying there are no faithful women in Jamaica, but I'm saying if you're one of the people that only go to see her once per year or once every 2 years, then this goes both ways. If she's willing to accept that you are a man and you live in another country, she must understand that you have other sexual partners, because no man is waiting around for some pum pum for 2 years unless he's incarcerated. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm gonna talk truth. And no woman in Jamaica is sitting down waiting around. You know about Jamaica, you know, Jamaican woman fling jacket like what? Jamaican man slap with anything. So you must expect a woman to sit around for years in Jamaica waiting for you to come give her some sex, waiting for you to come give her some intimacy. I don't believe it. I don't buy it. Can long distance relationships work? Sure they can. Do they work? Of course they do. One in every far and few in between. It takes a very special person, both male or female, to actually sit around, especially if you're divided or separated by countries, an airplane ride away, an immigration process away from being with each other. Very difficult. I don't expect no woman to be in doggone England waiting on me and I'm in Jamaica. Me expect her to get her thing beat, right? But she gonna try to tighten it up by slowing down what she's doing when it's time for me to come, get closer, or vice versa. Same thing for the man, vice versa. You know what I'm saying? And let's be honest and be real. See, this is the type of stuff that get people heartbroken. I think a lot of people set themselves up for heartbreaks by telling yourself that these kinds of things work. By telling yourself these kinds of things work. I mean, be realistic, man. If you have a person that's so interested in you, the best thing for you to do is to remain close friends. Talk things out, talk all the time, share your dreams and hopes. And if it's a genuine person, then you go through all the other processes to get that person together with you. But if you're expecting 100% loyalty, then you're setting yourself up for heartbreak and failure. I'm not going to go too much into this one. I'm just going to say, and I want my audience to leave it in the comment section. Do you think that this will work? Half of the time, anyways, this is stuff that we've seen. Woman use man overseas for money. Man use woman overseas for money, and they both use overseas people for money and for the immigration process. Get me my green card or get me to foreign, and you know what I'm saying? And that kind of stuff. No feelings there. Over time, they might develop feelings and might see somebody where, yo, that person are really check for me, you know. after all this time, them really go through the process of, and they always make sure I'm alright by sending this and sending that. Them send money for me go school, them send money for me always have something to eat, help me pay my bills. Don't even live here and only come here once a year. I respect that person, and hopefully one day I will be with that person. But to say they have the pum pum pan lockdown and wait for you, no. To say him a keep him thing in him drawers and wait upon you, my girl, no. The particular person that asked me to do this still is a man. We have a girl in Jamaica and he's asking this, right? I know somebody else asked me to do this today under one of the video comment section. This was not your reply, but this can apply to you because someone else had asked me more specifically to do this. I don't know if I should out the whole person business, but the person here lives in the United States of America, been here for years now, many years, because they couldn't go home for a while because they weren't straight. They got their papers straight now. But they've been dealing with the same female all this time, so he hadn't seen her in years. But he's been helping her back home with everything, financially, right? Now that them papers straight, he's been back a couple of times. I think he said twice in the last 3 or 4 years to see her, and said that the sex good and passionate and the love is still there and all these things, and him feel like she been faithful all this time, and he wants to marry her and bring her here, right? Do I think that the long distance relationship will work? Because the paperwork is taking some time to come through. I think you're setting yourself up for heartache. And I hope to God you never really find out what's going on behind your back when all this time that you think. Worse, you're there thinking that this person has been faithful for years. Hey, I'm gonna left it right there. So my audience, do you know of any woman in Jamaica that would actually keep the pum-pum for years, waiting on one man we're gone foreign to come back? Talk it up in the comment section below. It's Soulflow TV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Me, I keep that one here light. Me just left work. About to go to the gym. I'm tired. Alright? I'm out. Peace.